We'll start with conditioning. Inhale, and while exhaling, chant Om. We'll do this for 3 times. We'll start. Relax. We'll start with deep breathing. Keep your palms on your lap, back straight. Close your eyes. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do for one more time. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we'll do breathing. You will inhale for 3 counts and exhale for 6 counts. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Next, we'll do abdominal breathing. For this, keep your left hand on the chest and right hand on the belly. Feel the belly bulging out while inhaling. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Feel the bulge. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the expansion of the belly. While exhaling, feel the belly going in. 3, 4. Repeat these for 2 more times. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 3, 4. Relax. Next, we will do another breathing. We will inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. But while exhaling, we should not feel the air touching on the palm. We'll start. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth, but it should be so soft that you should not feel any air on the palm. Inhale. One last time. Inhale. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Now rub your palm. Generate some heat. Cup your eyes. And with a gentle smile, open your eyes. Thank you.